If you've been using ChatGPT on a regular basis, you would have observed that ChatGPT doesn't always give you the best answer. LLMs, which work behind the scene, nail some answers really well, but sometimes miss others in the most fascinating ways. If you're new here, I'm Garima, a mom in tech, and in this video, I'll talk about a framework on how we can improve the performance of LLMs so that it generates the most accurate and up-to-date information. We will uncover RAG, which is known as Retrieval Augmented Generation. Let me tell you about an incident happened a few days ago. My son is 4 years old and loves talking about planet. The other day, he asked me a question. Mama, what is the farthest planet in our solar system? And I thought, I love planets too. I remember reading about this in school. Of course, that was years ago. But I thought, I know this. I can answer this question. And I said, the answer is Pluto. Pluto is the farthest planet from the sun. And here's what went wrong. First, I didn't even verify if the answer was correct. Astronomy keeps evolving. And second, Pluto was no more classified as a planet. And if we're talking about the farthest recognized planet, the answer is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. So we have two problems here. One is that I did not verify my answer from a verified trusted source. And secondly, I did not give the most up-to-date information. And in fact, these are the two problems that we face when working with LLMs. These are LLM challenges. Now imagine instead of outrightly answering the question, I would have gone and checked the verifiable source like NASA and then answered my son to say, hey, Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. I would have grounded my response with something that's more believable and I would not be hallucinating. In the world of LLMs, grounding is the ability to connect the model output with a verifiable source of information. Let's say the same question is asked to an LLM model and it confidently says, okay, I know the answer. Based on the parameters that I learned during my training, I think the answer is Pluto. But Pluto is the wrong answer. But you don't know. The large language models can act very confident in what they answer. But how do we make sure that LLM models do not hallucinate and give the most up-to-date and accurate information? The solution is RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. That means that instead of solely relying on LLM's training data, we are adding a content store. This could be public information, anything from the internet, or it could be a closed resource, maybe PDFs or documents related to a specific organization. The point is that LLM first goes and talks to a reliable content store and says, hey, can you retrieve for me information that is relevant to the user's query? With this retrieved augmented generated answer, we know that it's no more Pluto. The answer is Neptune. Let's see how this process looks like. First, the user prompts the LLM with their question. In this case, what is the farthest planet from the sun? And originally, if we are just talking to a generative model, then the model will say, oh, okay, I know the answer, and it generates a response based on what it knows, probably Pluto. However, in the RAG framework, instead of responding immediately, the model follows a set of instructions. First, it retrieves relevant content, then it combines it with the user's question, and only then the final answer is generated. The prompt now consists of three elements: the instruction to follow, the retrieved content, and it is combined with the user's question. And now the LLM model will give a response. In fact, now they can even give evidence for the generated response. So now hopefully you understand how RAG is able to mitigate the two challenges that we earlier talked about. Let's talk about the first challenge of giving out-of-date information. When a new information comes out, example, Pluto is no more considered a planet, a traditional approach might require retraining the entire model to reflect this change. However, with an augmented content source, there is a more efficient solution. Instead of retraining the model, you simply update the content store with the latest information. So now, when the user asks a question, the model is ready to give the most up-to-date answer. It will just retrieve it from the retriever. The second challenge was verifiable source. With the new approach, the large language model has an explicit instruction to refer to the primary source before generating a response. This means it can now provide an evidence to support its answers, reducing the chances of hallucination or unintended data leak. Since the model is less reliant on the information it was trained on, it becomes more accurate and reliable. This method introduces a valuable behavior for the model, teaching the model to recognize when it doesn't have enough information to give a confident answer. If the user's question cannot be reliably answered based on the content stored, the model should say, oh, I don't know, instead of making up something that is believable but may mislead the user. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of RAG. Number one, it's cost effective. Building a chatbot usually starts with a foundational model. An advanced AI model that's trained on a wide range of general information can be accessed through an API. However, retraining these models to include specific industry or company related data is expensive and requires a lot of computing power. A more budget-friendly solution is RAG. Instead of retraining the entire model, RAG allows new information to be added in a more efficient way, making AI-powered chatbots more accessible and useful for different businesses and domains. Second benefit is providing correct information. Even if an LLM's original data is relevant to your needs, keeping it up to date can be difficult. Like we discussed, RAG solves this by allowing developers to feed the latest research, statistics, and news into the model. With RAG, the LLM can connect to live sources like social media feeds, news, websites, or other frequently updated platforms. This means the users get the most up-to-date information when they ask a question. Third benefit is enhanced user trust. Because RAG helps the LLM model provide accurate information while also citing its sources, the responses can include references or citations, allowing users to verify the information themselves if they need more details or clarification. This transparency builds trust and confidence in your AI-powered solution. And number 4 is more developer control. With RAG, developers can test and refine their chat applications more efficiently. They have control over the LLM's information sources, allowing them to update content as the needs change or adapt to different use cases. RAG also enables developers to manage access to sensitive information by setting authorization level, ensuring the AI generates appropriate responses. Additionally, if the LLM pulls from the incorrect sources, developers can troubleshoot and fix issues more easily. This level of control allows organizations to deploy generative AI with greater confidence across a wider range of applications. If this video helped you understand how RAG works, please hit that like button. If you want to understand the difference between RAG and fine-tuning, which is another way of improving the LLM's performance, watch this video I made earlier. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.